Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I'm going to show you the Steelbook import from Germany of the movie Sin City. The sticker is removable. So let's take a look here inside. Here we have two discs, and here is the poster. It's a one side only. This poster measures 11.5 by 16 inches tall. So let's take a look at the artwork. So here's the Blu-ray number 2 with the recut of the movie, Region B, 142 minutes. And here's the original theatrical, 124 minutes, Region B. So there you have a really nice steelbook. Unfortunately, it's in Region B. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.